Hello amazing viewers, you're welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be teaching you a proper way to shape a dress, be it a skirt, a gown, a blouse, or a mermaid A-line gown, to give you a nice physique and full effect at the down part. Please make sure you watch till the end because I'll be giving you a detailed explanation on how to close and shape a dress. Okay, I'll be using this gown. It's a mermaid A-line gown. I'll be using it to demonstrate how you can shape your dress. You can also use this same approach to shape any dress you want to shape. Just follow what I'm doing. I'll first of all work on the back. You close your back, you put your zip so that the back will look like the front before you can join the two sides. Okay, this is my zip. I'll now measure down where my zip will stop. I'll mark it. From that place I will sew it down. After sewing it, I can now attach my zip. What you will just do, use that sewing allowance you added for your zip to close it. Use it to close it. Make sure you work with your pin. I'll mark it down to the hem. Okay, if you get to your knee area, you just mark a straight line. That straight line will guide you on how to curve the knee area so that the flare will come out well. You just measure one. When you are getting to the down part, you reduce that 1 into ½ inch so that the flare will come out well. It will spread out well. Okay, I'm done attaching the zip. Please, if you want me to show you how you can attach your proper way you can attach your zip, just let me know on the comment section. I see the back is now looking at the front. You now place the front on the back. You make sure you spread it very well. If you draft your pattern very well, the back and the front will match. One thing is to cut a dress and another thing is to sew it very well. Please make sure you work with your pin. If you want to get a very nice fitting, always make sure you pin before shaping the both sides. It doesn't matter whether you are a beginner or not, always make sure you work with your pin. Nobody care how long it takes you for you to finish a dress. What people are interested in is the finished look on your body. So you make sure you always work with your pin. It will give you a perfect finishing. For me, I don't joke with my pins. I make sure my pin is always around me. As you work with your pin, also remember to keep your iron beside you, because ironing your clothes is another thing that will give you a neat finishing. You iron very well before shaping the both sides. So after I was done pinning it, the next thing now is I will start marking. I'll first of all divide all my measurement by 2. I'll start with my bust and now push it up so that I will see what I'm doing very well. I'll align it, arrange it. So I will now divide my bust measurement by 2. Whatever it gives me, I'll mark it. The excess, the excess allowance, I will measure it to know what I'm left with. Okay, I have 5 inches. That 5 inches, I will share it 2.5 inches on both sides. Just measure it down. I have 2.5 inch. I will now come down from my shoulder to my half length to get my waist line. I will divide my waist circumference by 2 also. Okay, you divide what you are left with by 2 and share it on the both side. I will now connect it. I also do the same thing on my hip. To give me that perfect shape that I want, I will come down from where I measure my waistline. I will come down by 4 inches and also place half of my round waist there and share the remaining at the both side. So on the knee area, I will just mark a straight line to guide me on how to curve it. So please note that this 2.5 inches that you will reduce it as you approach the down part. I will just measure 1 inch at the down part so that the flare will come out well. You reduce it and you connect it very well. This will give it a full effect at the down part. If you use that 2.5 inches down, the flare will not come out well. You reduce it so your flare will be full at the down part. That's what I did. You also do the same thing. So when I'm done, I will mark the same thing on the other side and connect it very well. Connect it very well. And you now go to your sewing machine and join it. I'm so sorry I didn't capture when I was sewing it. If you're joining the both side, just follow the marking. That's why it's very necessary to mark it. Just follow the mark and sew it straight down. After sewing, you go to your ironing table and give it a good press. As you can see, I notched the knee area where I curve my A-line mermaid gown. Just give it a notch there to reduce the tension so that if you are ironing it, the thing will relax well. It won't be folding. The notch is very necessary. This is the outcome of the gown. Thanks for watching.